Alright guys, welcome back to Frugal Homestead. So today we're going to be doing a review on a product that I have absolutely fell in love with. This stuff works so great, it's so easy, and it'll make your car last a lot longer, especially if you live in a high salt winter environment like we do here in Ohio. So today we're going to be doing a review on the Hybrid Solutions, which is Turtle Wax's top shelf product right now. Their ceramic spray coating. Now this is actually a ceramic spray wax is what I call it. But basically it's on and off, nice and simple and easy, and it will protect the outside of your car so much better than your standard wax and way better than that crap you spray out that says wax down at the car washes. So when using this product, the first thing you want to do is have a clean surface. So you need to take your car, I personally just take mine down and I spray it off at the car wash, alright? It comes to a point where it's not worth me to try and do it here on my gravel driveway. Obviously if you have a nice driveway and you know the ability to have a decent water, then I would go ahead and just do that at home and save yourself a few bucks. But for me, I do it pretty fast, costs about $2 to go through and just spray it off at the car wash. Then I literally will pull it out back and towel dry it. It doesn't have to be anything great, you just want to get it dry. So step 2, you take your product and you're going to want to use only microfiber towels to do this. Now I'm going to leave links underneath this video for this. I tried to get this at Walmart, it's almost impossible to find there. You can get it at some auto parts stores, but once again it seems to be like everybody's kind of gotten onto this and figured it out. So you know, they're usually sold out, so I would suggest that if you want it, go online and get it. So these cheap microfiber towels work great. You'll need 2 of them, one for the application step and one to kind of buff it off. So on a panel, generally all you're going to want to do is spray about half a panel at a time. And then you're just going to take it and wipe it in. Now some people do circles, some people do back and forth. I found that it doesn't really matter, and you can use this on your trim, your plastic trim. So you rub it in, you're going to give it a moment, you'll see it start to streak up, and you literally just buff it off. Now it is safe for use on exterior glass, but not interior. That is important. But as you can see, it's just that simple. Just spray a little on. Use one towel to roll it in. And one towel to wipe it off. Now another thing I found with this product that I really like is a lot of other products that I've used like this freaking stink. This stuff has kind of a mango smell, I'd guess, to it. But as you can see, it does a great job. It's fast, it's easy and effective. Now, I didn't get a real sunny day today like I had hoped to really show you the gloss factor. But the instructions read you're not supposed to do it in direct sunlight. I have done it in direct sunlight without any issues. The directions also say you should put on 2 coats being 12 to 24 hours difference apart, and I have never done that. But our process, because this is supposed to last 6 months, but our process for it is to do it every 3. And my thinking is by doing it every 3, we're not giving it time for the wax coating to break down. Now here in Ohio, the roads are constantly covered with chemicals and salt, brine. Just like here where I live, they actually use a lot more of cinders and stuff like that, but all those things can hurt your finish on your car. Lately I've found that most vehicles can easily make it to 100,000 miles, if not 200,000. The bodies wear out first. And this is a simple way to go through. You do the whole outside of your car, you do your rims, you do your door jambs, Simple way to make your car body last longer, get some more life out of it, and it's kind of nice to have your car look nice. Now the other benefit to this is your car will stay cleaner. It literally does not want to let stuff stick to it. Now I have used the old drive in there, you know, you wash your car and then you just flip the little switch to wax and you wax your car. 3 to 4 days later my car looks dirty and you can clearly tell the water's not beating off the way it did. So that is a water soluble wax, and I'm sure that the guy doing it is not worried that he's getting the mixture correct. And water soluble waxes, they're real basic and they don't last very long. Now don't get me wrong, I still believe in the old paste waxes, but the ease of this and the quality and the hardness of the ceramic, you can't ask for better than that. I think this product's worth every dime I paid for it. Now, as far as how far it goes, it depends on the size of your vehicle. I bought this bottle. We did a Honda Civic, we did my Honda Fit here, and we did my wife's Honda CR-V. That used 1/3 of the bottle, and we were going heavy with it. So that should give you an idea how long this bottle will last. I really think it's a great value. Now, you can find about 100 videos out there with guys taking like bug and tar remover and different chemical strippers to cars that they've done a coating of this on it. So I'm not going to try and recreate the wheel by redoing those for you. But I'm going to tell you, if it can stand up to bug stripper and tar stripper and like wax remover and all that, it can easily stand up to brine and salt. Now I do think that you guys should take a moment when you're doing your cars to hit the spots that most people don't, that also rust out the most, like the rocker panels by the bottom of the doors and the actual bottoms of the door jambs, because that'll make your car last longer. And whether you're doing it just because you want to drive the thing into the ground, or whether you're doing it because you want to keep your trade-in value high, both of them are great options. And it really doesn't take that long to clean your car other than spraying it off once you do get a coating or two of this on there. With that said, if you like these kind of videos, or if you enjoyed this video in any way, shape, or form, please go down, hit the like, hit the subscribe bell if you're not already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you can see all of our upcoming videos, and make sure you check it out because I'm going to be bringing you more of their products and ways to keep your car nice longer and cheaper. So, with that said, I will see you in the next one.